In this video, we will show you how to apply external powder onto a problematic toenail. First, you will wash and dry your feet, and then you will scrape a thin layer of the toenail to let the underneath layer breathe. And then we will go ahead and mix the powder. With just a small amount, enough to cover the problematic toenail, you will go ahead and add coconut oil to it. You can use a knife to grab some coconut oil as well, and you're just going to keep mixing. If the powder has a liquid consistency, then you will add more powder, and if it has a dry consistency, then you will add more coconut oil. The powder should have a paste consistency in order to add it to the problematic toenail. And remember that each time that you are applying the powder to the toenail, you will be mixing it every time. Once we have mixed the powder and the coconut oil, we will apply the powder to the problematic toenail. Make sure that the whole toenail is covered. And then we will go ahead and put a band-aid on the problematic toenail. You will leave the band-aid on overnight, and then in the morning you will take off the band-aid and let the toenail be exposed throughout the day. At night, wash and dry your feet, and make sure to change the band-aid and make a new powder and coconut oil mixture each time you apply to your toenail.